Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of AV to HDMI converters, and we've got our hands on what we believe is the best in the market. Stay tuned as we unravel the features and benefits of the BD&M AV to HDMI converter. The BD&M AV to HDMI converter is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience. What sets this converter apart is its versatility and high-quality performance. Let's break down some of its key features. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use. With a simple plug-and-play setup, you can transform analog RCA composite input into stunning HDMI 1080p output, all in a matter of minutes. But what devices can you use it with? The list is extensive. From gaming consoles like PS3, Xbox, and even retro consoles like N64 and Wii, to VCRs, camcorders, and DVD players, this converter has you covered. Now, let's talk about quality. The BD&M converter utilizes a high-quality chip for superior signal processing. You can expect vibrant colors, crisp resolutions up to 1080p at 60 Hz, and impeccable detail, ensuring a truly immersive viewing experience. And here's the kicker, it's built to last. With its low-power digital chip and strong working stability, this converter can handle 24 hours of uninterrupted work with minimal heat generation. So there you have it, folks. The BD&M AV to HDMI converter, the ultimate solution for transforming your analog AV devices into stunning high-definition displays. Don't settle for mediocre viewing experiences. Upgrade to the BD&M converter today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy viewing!